Hi there, and welcome to another Beaver Builder tutorial. In this video, we're going to take a look at the heading module. This is one of the most commonly used modules in Beaver Builder, and it's ideal for adding titles, section headings, or calls to action on your page. Let's get started. First off, make sure you're logged into your WordPress site and editing the page with Beaver Builder. In this layout, I want to replace this image with a heading module. This will allow me to add an H1 tag to the page, which helps improve structure and support search engine optimization. Okay, so click the plus icon in the top right corner to open the content panel. Under the Modules tab, scroll to the basic section or use the search bar and type heading. Once you've found it, drag the heading module into the section where you'd like it to appear. As soon as you place it, the settings panel will open. Let's start with the General tab. Here you can enter the heading text. This is the content that will appear on screen. Below that, you'll see the HTML tag drop-down. This lets you choose between H1 and H6. H1 is typically used for the main page title. H2 and H3 are used for section headings and subheadings, and H4 through H6 are used for lower level headings or styled labels. If you're not sure which one to use, start with H2 for section titles. As H1 should normally only appear once per page, I'll use a H1 tag as I want this to be my page title. Next is the link option. If you've watched any of our other videos, you should be familiar with this section, but in case you're new here, this is where the heading will take the user if clicked. Press the select button to search for an existing page from your site, or if you know the URL, you can copy and paste it into the field to enter it manually. Below that, you'll see a few checkbox options. New window opens the link in a new tab. No follow. Tell search engines not to follow the link. Force download is useful when linking to files as it will automatically download instead of opening it in the browser. Next, let's move over to the Style tab. Here you can customize the font, color, size, weight, spacing, and more. And of course, just like other modules, you can use responsive controls to adjust styling on extra large, medium, and mobile devices. I'm going to tweak the style settings here to replicate the original concept image. I'll change the color using the color eyedropper. That way I can easily grab the color from the image. Then I'm going to use a Google font that closely matches the style and adjust the other settings to get things looking just right. There, that looks good. As you can see, Beaver Builder provides a lot of control, all without writing a single line of code. Finally, in the Advanced tab, you'll find options for margin and padding, animations, visibility rules, custom HTML tags, and CSS classes. We've created a dedicated videos on the Style and Advanced tab options if you want a deeper dive into those settings. Once you're happy with the heading, click Save. Then click Done in the top right corner. And don't forget to click Publish to save your changes. And that's it. Why not give the heading module a try?
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. We read every comment and try to answer any questions you have. If you found this video useful, give us a like and consider subscribing. It really helps grow the channel. Please also consider sharing, as we really want to help the Beaver Builder community. For more hints and tips, visit learnbeaverbuilder.com, and we'll see you in the next one.